Need to find the IP address of your router in Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to locate it easily for network setup or troubleshooting. Launch the Run window by pressing the Win plus R keys together. Type in CMD and hit OK button. When command prompt launches, type in ipconfig command and hit Enter key. Scroll down through the command results and locate the section Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi. Under it, the IP address against the entry default gateway is the IP address of your router. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.